Good morning, or afternoon, or evening, depending on what time you're watching this. Today we're going to be learning about adding and subtracting rational expressions that have the same denominator. I want you all to remember that an expression is when our math problem is not set equal to anything. Since adding and subtracting rational expressions is very similar to adding and subtracting fractions, we're going to do a little warm-up questions to get your brains working. So our first example is 1/5 plus 3/5. Notice that our denominators are the same. So our denominator and our answer is going to be the same. And then we just add what's on top. 1 plus 3, which is 4. So our answer would be 4/5. For the second one, we have 2/3 minus 1/3. Notice denominators are the same. Our denominators are 3 for both problems. So we'll have 2 minus 1 over 3, which is 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is 1/3. So now we're going to apply these exact same rules to adding and subtracting rational expressions. So example 1 is 2 over x plus 1 plus 3 over x plus 1. Notice our denominators are the same. So when we're adding them, our denominator stays the same. So our denominator is still x plus 1. And then we just add our numerator, which will be 2 plus 3, which is 5 over x plus 1. And that's it. Example 2, we have 4 over x minus 2 plus x plus 1 over x minus 2. Our denominators are x minus 2 for both problems, so we could just add them by writing x minus 2 as our denominator. 4 plus x plus 1. Now for this one, we're not quite finished because we have some like terms that we can add together. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So our final answer will be x plus 5 over x minus 2. All right, our last example for adding is 2x plus 5 over x plus 7, or x minus 7, excuse me, plus x minus 1 over x minus 7. Again, our denominators are the same, meaning that we could rewrite our denominator x minus 7, and our numerator is all this stuff added together. So 2x plus 5 plus x minus 1. Now, just like with the last one, we're not done yet because we have some like terms. Here are our x terms, and here are our constant terms. So let's add our like terms together. We have 2x plus x, which will give us 3x. And we have 5 minus 1, which gives us plus 4 over x minus 7. When we're subtracting, you got to really watch your signs, but the same rules still apply. We have the same denominator here, so our answer is going to have the same denominator, which is 2x minus 3. Now our numerator, reading left to right, is 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So our answer is 3 over 2x minus 3. Example 5 has x plus 3 over x plus 6 minus 4 over x plus 6. Our denominators are both x plus 6. So in our answer, we're going to have x plus 6. Subtracting straight across, we'll have x plus 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is negative 1 because we're combining our terms here, right? We have two constant terms. So we'll have x minus 1 over x plus 6. And that is our new answer. Our last example of the day is 3x plus 1 over x minus 2 minus x plus 1 over x minus 2. Again, denominators are the same. So in our answer, our denominator will be the same. In our numerator, we'll have 3x plus 1 minus, we're subtracting this whole thing. That means you're going to have to distribute your negative sign. Since we have to distribute our negative sign, that means we're going to have 3x plus 1 minus x minus 1 all over x minus 2. So now if we find our like terms, we have 3x and negative x, and we have positive 1 and negative 1. I'm going to rewrite the answer down here. So it's going to look like 3x minus x is 2x. 1 minus 1 is 0 over x minus 2.